Some apologies sound perfect and still change nothing. The first time it happened, I believed the apology.
Look, I know you're upset, and you have every right to be. What I did was thoughtless, and I am truly sorry. I hope you can forgive me.
Because it sounded like accountability. And I wanted to be the kind of person who forgives. So, I did. Then it happened again. Different day, same sting. That feeling in your chest like, oh, and the apology came fast, like a fire extinguisher. I said, I'm sorry. What do you want from me? That's when I realized something. The apology wasn't a bridge. It was a reset button. A way to skip the hard part. Change. After a while, I could predict the whole cycle. Hurt. Excuse. Sorry. Then, pressure to move on fast. So they didn't have to feel uncomfortable. And I started carrying the responsibility for their behavior and their feelings about it. Here's what I learned. An apology is not proof, because it sounded like accountability. Test 1, ownership. Do they name what they did without blaming you? Test 2, repair. Do they ask what you need without rushing you? Test 3, change. Do you see new behavior consistently? Because if the behavior stays the same, the apology wasn't for you. It was for them. So they could feel forgiven without being different.
I understand if you need some space right now. I'm here, and I'm listening.
How can you say that after everything that happened?
And this is the part that hurt the most. If someone keeps doing the thing they apologized for, they're not confused. They're comfortable. They've learned you'll survive it. So they don't have to stop. I didn't need a bigger apology. I needed a boundary. So, I said, I accept your apology, but I don't accept this pattern. And I meant it. The right person won't just say sorry. They'll become safer. And if they won't, you don't have to stay and translate pain into patience. You're allowed to choose peace. Apologies don't heal. Change does. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it.